Okay, guys, I picked up this little drawer set, this Kobalt. I got these at Christmas time. I bought two of them, but I just bought the silver ones. I bought these at Christmas time. They were on sale. I cannot remember what I paid for them. I want to say like $10. I don't know what they cost normally. I'll look it up and put it in the description with a link to the site. Lowe's sells them. You can see right there. There's the number if you want to try and look it up on there. I'll see if I can find the link. But they come in different colors, which is all cool and all. But I just kind of like the silver one. It says capacity per drawer 5 pounds. So I don't know. 3-year limited warranty. Let me see here. All the specs on it there. Durable powder coated finish, aluminum drawer trim, friction slides, magnetic drawer shutting mechanism. I guess it's a white finish, not a silver. I thought it was silver. It looks silver. I guess it's white. Oh well. It'll still work. Let me get this open. I haven't even opened it yet. See if we can see what's in here. But I really take the hell out of these. There we go. Maybe. Yep. Okay. Like I said, I haven't even looked at it yet. I just seen them at Christmas time, and like I said, I picked two of them up. Mainly because, I don't know, I just got a lot of little doodads and stuff around, and it would have been nice if it had a handle on the top, though. Let's see if I can get it out of here without hitting the camera, which I already did once, which I cut it out as long as I was able to. Okay, let's get this baby turned over, get this stuff out of the way. I'm hitting everything. I don't have a lot of room back here where I'm recording this. So, you know. Okay. Looks like 2 drawers. Let's see if I can hold it. Kind of give you a look. Nothing crazy. Let me see if I can see how deep these are. I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not. Looks like about 1.25 inches. And then you got about like 5 inches to work with there. And then on the bottom, let me get this over here. You're gonna have looks like a little shy of 2 1/4. Of course, that's gonna be the same there, and these are about 9 inches wide. Is this top? Oh yeah, the top lifts up. There we go. Doesn't really seem like it has any way to latch it though. You would have thought they would have had a magnet or something on there. And you're not going to get much up here. You're probably looking at yeah, not quite 3/4. So we're probably looking at let me see what we got here. About 6/8, 5/8, 6/8, something like that. 5/8 looks like. But yeah, so I mean, there's not a whole lot to it. It's a metal box. It does feel like it grabs. They said it did have magnets holding the drawers back. I'm a little disappointed it doesn't have a way to latch the top. I think that would have been nice. And a handle. I mean, you can pick it up. It's not very big, but I guess if you wanted to stack it, it's nice that it does it. But if you're going to stack it, then you really don't need that. But I don't foresee me using that for much, except for maybe pencils. I don't know. But it's just a simple little drawer, just something I can throw on my workbench. Throw some little odds and ends in. Okay, guys.